travel, and we are in Point Reyes National Seashore, and it's just north of San Francisco. So we took a trail that was about 4 miles from the trailhead all the way here to Alamere Falls, and it's actually called a tide fall. So as you see, the waterfall actually comes down here and goes right into the sea.
We're in Oroville, California. We're looking at Phantom Falls. The reason why you don't see any waterfalls behind us is these waterfalls are really like at their maximum. A lot of water, obviously during the winter months. And they call them Phantom Falls because they disappear during the summer.